This is Liran Hirschkorn from ChooseTerm.com, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about life insurance when you have hepatitis B and what your options are. Coming up in this video. So if you have hepatitis B, you can get approved for life insurance. It's going to be determined based upon several factors. One, if your liver enzymes are normal as far as their levels, or maybe just slightly high, but not very, very high, then you have a chance to get approved for life insurance. Depending on how long you've had it, what the current treatment is, it is possible to get approved. The key is really knowing which life insurance companies to apply with. There are some companies that are very conservative and will generally not approve somebody with hepatitis, whether it's hepatitis B or C. And there are other companies that are a little bit more liberal in their guidelines and will approve life insurance for people that do have hepatitis B. So the key is really knowing which life insurance company to apply with. And that's where working with an agent who is specializing in high-risk life insurance really pays off, because instead of going to one company and getting declined, and maybe you've been in that position, and then going to another company and kind of being upset about the whole process, working with an agent who has experience with hepatitis B and life insurance is really the way to go in terms of having the best chance to get approved for coverage. The other thing you want to do is submitting a letter with your application. As an agent, this is what I do for my clients, explaining their lifestyle or their overall health, anything that's positive that can help get that application approved. We write a letter to the life insurance company to have them look at that, and that gives you a better chance to get approved. So anything that's helpful, if you exercise or your overall lifestyle, is going to be helpful in getting you approved for coverage. The one thing to know is that you generally are not going to get approved at standard rates. If you do have hepatitis, you're generally going to get what's called a table rating, which is essentially a higher rate for coverage. So you'll have a policy just like everybody else, but the rate is going to be higher, and you're generally going to see table ratings anywhere between table 4, or also called table D, maybe up to a table 6, also known as a table F. So just to know what to expect in terms of pricing. And although this sounds confusing, I can go over these numbers with you when we discuss a quote and give you an idea of what type of pricing you can probably expect based specifically on your situation. So if you do have